Which one?
Guys, I'm a bulldog.
Wait, move here, Keisha, para makita.
Wait. No.
Don't do that, Keisha. I'm gonna get...
What's up, bye? Do you have questions for the three of us? Binsoy's here, Jarren's there. Alam niyo po ba magbisaya? Yes po, Bisaya po mi. Taga Cebu sila din ako, kay taga Dumaguete. Silingan to kay Brad. Bye!
Bakit yung Bisaya?
Malamig Bisaya.
Shout out Canaders.
Ooh.
Shout out Canadians. Justin
Yeah.
Bieber,
I
Ryan
can't
Reynolds.
read any po. I'm not wearing my glasses.
Kyrene. Hello po. Nasaan si Ate Fiang? Saan na ba siya?
There's a teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Thank you po.
What's a teddy bear?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know si Jarren and the Halloween.
Ano
Jarren,
meaning nun?
ooh, I don't know, like every sticker daw has like, it depends on like how much. I don't know how this
Aba!
works. Bakit?
Wait, the stickers, those things have money?
Yeah.
Aba! I went live kanina. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm so sorry that
You can check your, you bring your, ay, so.
hindi for...
Sorry.
Jarren's
Bye.
there.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys.
Ako si Binsoy.
Do you have questions for us to get to know
Yeah, let's go.
Kai and Rain? Ganun na lang.
Kasi we're in
Questions.
the outside world.
Yeah, so what do you wanna ask Kai, Rain, and even Binsoy? And Jarren, we can just bump up a question for him.
Yeah. Dito din si Jarren.
Oh, wow, thank you for sending all the gifts, guys. And wow, it's 29K
Let's go.
viewers. Viewers ba? Tama ba?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Ako si Binsoy yung munggoy ng
Yeah.
bahay ni Kuya.
Every time das, nagla-live ako, bay. Pero minti nila gina-comment, bay.
Sorry, bye.
Wait, Brad,
Yan,
sige.
good.
Mukuha sa
Asan si
tubig.
Kuya D?
Yes, work.
Work.
Guys, Jarren is sleeping.
Show him.
He's sleeping. Let's show Jarren. Just lift. The mic.
Paano mag-share na?
Good morning!
Oh, hell no.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, you can go back to sleep. Yeah, we can do that.
Tapos itapon.
Yeah, we'll do
Saan yung power bank?
Power bank ni Rain.
Kasi
Sa
that's
back.
gonna fall.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. We're very chaotic. Okay.
Ice cream good.
Ice cream yummy.
Hi.
Hi, so do you have questions for Kai and Rain? So if you want to get to know both of them even more. Ooh, pretty!
Uy, thanks.
Anong hobbies nila? Okay, what are your
What do
hobbies?
you have? Hobbies?
Like, what did you do before entering... Ay, naging host. What did you do before entering PBB
Sige, ikaw na
House?
lang yun.
And then, what do you want to do now after?
My hobbies, I had a lot of hobbies. Other than singing, I do sports. I play badminton talaga. Tapos, I journal. I love journaling, bro. Ikaw?
Ako rin. I also play sports. Volleyball and hiking, running. Ganon po. Yeah.
What do you want to do after? Like,
I wanna do those again.
Oh,
Alam
let's
niyo?
hike, diba?
Hike, we're gonna hike.
Hike.
What was that thing that you guys said?
Oh, fudge. Pinatubok.
Yeah, Mount Pinatubo.
And the other one.
Mount Pulag.
Mount Pulag.
Mount Pulag. That's our goal.
That's our goal. We kept on talking about it sa
Inside bahay ni
Kuya's
Kuya.
house. Yeah.
Kasi, amazing
Thank
kasi,
you, guys.
mag-work hard ka, mag-go up sa mountain, tapos ma-see mo yung amazing view.
Yeah. And then let's go to the beach for me.
Beach, eat.
Beach,
yeah.
beach. Then let's dive. Okay. Oh, by the way, Kai, so when I did my live before, a lot of people were asking, hala, host na host. A lot of people were asking, what's your highlighter?
Oh,
Yeah,
nabasa ko nga highlighter.
Yeah, they kept asking me, and then I don't know kasi kasi
The
diba
brand, the brand.
na inside nakatake.
Yes. Guys, here, I will tell you right now talaga. Napakita ko na, pero di ko sinabi yung brand. It's actually
Oh, you're gonna reveal it.
Floor Mar. There. I said it once, never again. Now you know. Ano yun? What does that mean?
That was
What's
so
that?
I don't know, it's a
Cowboy hat.
yeah. Oh, that's crazy.
Thanks, who are Yasmin?
What's Yasmin?
The ones that's sending you stuff. Eunice,
Oh,
good job.
yeah. Kanina I saw Jazz Lee also and Gem Jazz sending. Thank you. Tofu. Garbin. Garbin is like Gar and Binsoy.
Garbin? Aba, merong Garbin?
No, there's no. Di, may nakita ko Garbin yung name.
Ow.
Wow.
Medyo. Anyway,
Okay.
Oh!
Rain, did you get the Polaroid?
Me? From Kuya JM?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And gusto niyang ibigay yun sa'yo kasi sobrang ganda mo daw dun.
Yeah, so like I was nominated and then I wanted the Polaroid.
Ooh.
I told Kuya JM na. I told Kuya JM na if I'm gonna go out, can I have it muna? I'm gonna and then give it back to
Did you
him.
store it now?
I forgot nga. Thank you for reminding me.
Okay.
Favorite
You, Kai, did you get back Jarren's Polaroid?
No, because he left first. We had an agreement. Sinong lalabas? Siya yung kukuha ng Polaroid. Eh, di napunta sa kanya kasi siya yung unang lumabas.
Okay, what was the question? What's your favorite color?
Favorite color daw? You know what? Guess. At the Jazz, you don't have to guess because you already know. Oh, let's put it to the test if
Okay.
Jazz actually knows.
Oh, your color. Oh my gosh.
Ano ka Rain?
Oh my gosh. Rain.
Hello!
Jazz?
Rain?
Oh my gosh.
Jazz.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, Ate Jazz.
Give her a clue. It's a 3-letter.
Bro, that's so easy kung ingay mo.
Red. Like to party.
Oh my.
Red. Dip, no, you're not green.
Disgusting!
Bro, that's my color in PBB.
Yeah, green. Green. You're not red.
It's a
You're
common,
same as me. Pink.
common color.
Black.
Hindi.
Pink.
Hindi.
Blue.
She got it. Amazing.
Generic. Ayos!
Ayos. That's mine.
Pink.
Yours?
Oh, yeah.
Pink. You just
Yeah,
said
I just said
it.
it. Sorry.
Okay, next.
Jarren's at the back. He's
Karen,
resting.
what's your favorite drama daw? K-drama pala.
What's your favorite drama, Ate Jazz? Pag nagda-drama si Ate Jazz, joke lang.
Okay. Anyway, my favorite K-drama? That's a hard question. Pero in my top 3, nandun yung It's Okay Not to Be Okay.
Whoa!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
It's Okay Not to Be Okay is in my top 3.
Thank you for the teddy bear.
Oh my god, I just remembered my question inside the house.
What's your question, Seth?
Don't.
Oh, mamaya na. What's the?
Yeah.
You're so cute, Rain. Sabi.
Thank
Oh, thank you.
That did not come from me.
Talagang kin.
I'm just gonna put that out there. Rain's favorite food.
My favorite food, sushi po.
Yeah, sushi. You wanna order sushi now?
Oh my god, yo.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Jarren, are you sleeping? You want sushi?
Congrats, Ate Kai. Thank you po.
Oh, fudge naman. What do you want to buy? You want pizza?
Pizza. Pizza is also in my comfort food or my
Pizza?
top 3. And Kai won it.
From
Amazing
Angels?
case siya, no?
Yeah.
Angels,
Gusto ko
ano mo ba
kilay ni
sushi?
Ate Kai. Thank you po.
I actually just
From
ate.
Angel?
I actually just ate breakfast today.
Favorite song? Favorite
realize.
song?
Sorry?
What's your favorite song?
Me?
You want
That's
McDonald's? You ate
a question,
McDonald's,
hard
wow,
question.
bro. You didn't?
Just artist. Did you eat lunch? Did you guys eat lunch? Oh, you guys
No,
ate in
nag-drive through lang kami kanina before packing.
I did.
You didn't eat? Oh, because you weren't feeling well.
Did you see us, JP?
I just had breakfast today.
JP and Mark are coming later pa.
May question, wait, nawala. Ang bilis kasi guys, sorry. Girl something. Hi, Khalil.
You know there's a ship for every housemate?
Yeah.
Like, it's like
It's
Glee.
big.
Like, everyone is shipped with everyone else. Ayos.
Why am I teary-eyed? I'm not, am I?
She just has nice sparkling eyes.
Those are called shimmer.
Nasaan daw tayo? Secret. Hanapin.
So, we are at...
Consolacion Cebu. What is wrong with my vowels?
Okay, what?
You know what,
Oh,
you just-
Kai Rain's giving so much stickers. Wow, thank
Hi,
you.
Kyrie.
Hi po.
Thank you po so much. This
know,
is
Ate
for
Jazz?
Ate Jazz.
My vowels got to
Bakit?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, sabi niya, toilet sit. Like,
Oh my gosh, you know, I had that face too.
Ay, legit boy. Until
ouch,
now.
my foot.
My vowels are broken.
Then,
I came in fine.
wow, Kai Rain.
Whoa,
And
slow
Rain
down with the...
Reese.
Slow down with the...
Wow, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Oh.
Isang A naman dyan.
Hey.
Kaya dyan. Ba?
Please, we can't read. Alam mo, I have to get my eyes checked now.
Really?
It's like, I feel like my astigmatism got worse.
Ba?
And then feeling ko tumaas na yung grade ko. I'm just like 20, 25 before entering.
No.
And then, nung sinuot ko yung 50 something nung friend ko, it's so clear. I'm like, bro,
I think I need to check mine din.
diba? I need
To check mine.
Kasi I broke my
When kayo uwi,
eyeglasses.
Cebu, Kyrie?
Di din po namin alam po.
Oo.
Let's pray for Kyrain na
Let's do a
maging busy
homecoming.
sila. Also, here, more projects.
What's your favorite PBB song daw? Ikaw?
Oh, me. My favorite PB song. That's really like...
True.
I love that. How about you guys?
Me, see you happy kasi it went through so much.
Yeah.
The original to revise, tapos musical, dami.
Ang daming ano.
And you know, fun fact, Kai Rain helped with the See You Happy.
Yes.
Yeah. Was it the original?
Yeah. Ay,
Kasi ang
Yeah.
dami na kasing versions eh. Yeah. Most.
Ah.
Yeah. Kayo naman.
yeah, I actually made
kayo.
the chorus.
Kailan ang
crazy.
yacht party daw?
Totoo.
Um,
Good question.
Good
Actually, good question.
Merong magbabangka. Ako yun.
Actually, kailangan pa namin i-discuss because right now, yung calendars namin are like,
Yeah.
needs alignment. Kasi syempre gusto namin, majority or like almost everyone will go. But we'll definitely have the out party in November.
Ooh, November.
Yeah, November.
But it was strange. Ano? What's the first
What's my hobby? I love reading books. Actually, but it's been a long time since I haven't like read any book na. I think the last book na I read was Encyclopedia House.
Oh my God.
Na I finished.
I finished that din.
The London private.
Did not.
Po, naging
You did not finish it?
elepante. I finished it.
Yeah.
Kayo was udugay?
That was a really nice book. I wanna read the entire series.
Speak Bisaya.
Unsa man yung
Bisaya
gana?
only
Bisaya
challenge.
Sige, Bisaya only challenge. Sige, unsa man yung gana? Makasabot ra mo.
Sabot ra mo yung anime.
Makasabot ra mo. Okay ra ninyo nga magbisaya mi.
It's kind
Guys,
of
brace off. I was so surprised.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's off.
Oh,
looks weird.
Bisaya lagi.
Ay, sorry. Grabe boy.
Hello, okay. Gidi.
Aba, sino yan?
Ay, gidi.
Anger?
Ha, hindi.
Sino yan?
I don't know. There's a new character siguro.
Oh, yeah, di ba, no?
Tessa, Moana 2 trailer. Have you seen that?
Yes, I have.
I was surprised. I was like, wow, hindi pa ako matagal lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya. Bakit?
Meron ng...
2 months yan.
Eh,
Under the Sea.
ano to?
Under the Sea. Skincare routine? Sige, what's your
Kailan
skincare
magpo-post si Kai? Skincare routine, kind of effed up right now.
Elvis Presley.
Hey!
My skincare routine is just cleanser.
Pond's.
And then, yeah, we use Pond's. Actually, I brought...
Yeah, I have a lot of ones.
You have a lot?
Yeah,
Yup.
because they sent me like
Oh yeah, her.
for
From
She
the,
won.
tama. Yeah, it's actually nice. The Naya Sorcinol nila na cleanser. I use it at night.
Rana Burst Sky. Yeah.
And then, Niacinamide. And then moisturizer.
Yo!
And then I have a topical cream.
Ano, highlighter Kai? Sekreto. Sinabi ko na.
Sinabi na din daw kanina, guys, yung highlight.
Ayos.
Oh!
Galaxy to? Ano?
Galaxy.
Damn.
Anyway, may question ka na. Tapos kailan ka na magpo-post? Kasi lagi daw nilang nakikita
Yeah, and everyone
in
else's
everyone's,
accounts.
Oh
account.
yeah, she's in everyone's except herself.
Yeah.
I want to make my account look nice. So, I'm gonna think about posting later on. I just wanna make mine look professional. Kasi parang ang...
Oh, so you're saying we're not.
Huh?
Yeah,
Sorry,
get.
sorry.
What?
You
No.
do like singing covers or like
Oh.
both of you can do that.
Oh, we could, of the PBB songs.
Yeah,
Maybe they could make it as audios din, no?
definitely. Oh, thank you. Same tayo na na-read.
What did you guys read?
You're all beautiful.
Fave Switch games. Mario Kart.
Oh, hi from Taiwan.
Oh, hello po.
What's up, Taiwan?
Oh my gosh, did you know about Liam Payne? Sorry.
Yeah! Oh!
When I found out, I was like, Reina.
Boy! That's... Oh my gosh! You know how I found out? I was beside Keisha, no? And she was calling with her friend. Tapos, siya
When
yung
was this?
nagsing.
Like the day after, like big night.
The day after big night.
After big night.
We got our phone na.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Then,
Bisaya daw, Bisaya.
first thing yan.
Bisaya daw.
nakakuha namin sa among phone. And then, nag-call siya with her friend. Tapos, nakadungog ko from her friend. About Liam Payne. Abi na ko, nag-joke siya.
Yeah, bin ako din.
And then, pag-check na ko, legit, bro.
I was like, bro, I was
Sabi
just
ko,
like
supply.
I was just on like TikTok, and then like everyone kept on saying rest in peace. I'm like,
Pain.
what?
Yeah.
And then like
I
it was
thought a joke.
official. I thought it was a joke.
You never know talaga. You never know talaga. You never know talaga.
Grabe.
Ano pa yan sa, ano ah?
But yeah,
Thank you po, Kyrie.
this is like,
Kyrie.
where you realize na you really don't know when your life's gonna end. So
Yeah.
like do what you wanna do.
Be nice to everyone.
Be nice to everyone. We all make mistakes. Apologize for it. Take accountability, and then slowly let go. Move on.
No
move
one's
forward.
perfect, so you go.
No
make
one's
mistakes,
perfect.
learn from it,
Yeah.
and just guys, bruh, let's all be
Shoe
nice.
size? What's your shoe
You-
size though?
We're all size 37, right?
I'm
No,
38.
I'm 38.
Sorry, 38 pala. 38 kami lahat.
38.
7.5,
Oh,
38.
yeah, because we share.
Yeah, we share.
Yeah,
We share
share.
clothes.
Actually, guys, in PPB house, we share everything.
Except for underwear.
I was gonna say.
Except for underwear, but we share everything.
Bro.
I still have clothes from.
I used her boxers though.
Bro, I mean, Keisha.
Bro, not on my ano.
Yeah,
Obviously, I have my own underwear and just use them.
But yeah, but ano pa ba? Yun lang. Like, that's the number one thing that my dad told me, like, few months before him passing. It's a constant reminder na you have to make mistakes. Like, you learn from other people's mistakes, but don't be afraid to make your own. But then, have accountability, and then just learn from it, and then don't do it again.
Yes.
And ganun. You know, guys.
Hey, what's up, Canada?
Collect this with
Oh, yeah, where are they?
with Dongpat and Theories. May lakad lang
Save
sila.
1D song. Mine is one thing. No, actually.
Anong kanta ito? You and I.
Night change. Ay, po. You and I.
You and I. I love that. I listened to that last
Oh,
night.
actually, that was one of my favorite
Yeah.
MVs because when I was young, like, I was like, oh, I'm transition, ganun.
Nothing can. I love that. and I.
I don't know what mine is.
God.
I guess night changes.
Yeah, actually,
Separate the two.
like I feel like the hardest question all the time is like a favorite something favorite song. Choo 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 choo.
That's hard because
Yeah,
sometimes
that's
it depends on your mood kasi what your favorite ano is. But promise guys, we're ordering later but we're gonna order sushi. Where did you order sushi yesterday?
Para kayong Powerpuff
Oh.
Girls. Ano?
Para kami para
Dami naman si
Whoa.
10K. Po. Kami na yan po.
Grabe.
Guys,
Calm
I
down.
said this before. I don't know if but I said this before tala sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya na when I'm with Kai and Rain, like I'm their ate, I could be them. I feel like I can also be 17 or 18.
yeah,
Legit.
yeah.
Legit, like
Sometimes I forget she's Ate Jazz kasi depende sa mood.
yeah. And then like we have got so many conversations.
Oh, you guys know Ate Jazz is my OA sister.
Yeah. We're both OA.
Like, oh my gosh, I don't feel OA when I'm with Ate Jazz.
Yeah. That's like, guys, when you back that I'm OA, I just laugh at it because I'm like,
Yeah, because being OA is actually not so bad, guys.
especially if I have rain. Kai is non.
She's a hybrid.
Hybrid.
Sometimes
Yeah.
na.
She's just nonchalant kasi she's tulala.
Yes, Tita Flo is here. Where are you staying right now? Sa ano pa? Ata?
Oh, that's Tita.
Tita's here.
Excuse me.
Go.
Opo.
Hilahin down po, Tita.
YouTube to Ate May. Kasi ano daw, loko, pumunta kayong Tagaytay.
Tonight, no. We're just staying here, Tita.
Ha?
We're just staying here.
Ah, okay.
And then, I can drop them off. We can drop them off later. Para hindi na kayo mag-worry, Tita. I'll get your number.
Ay. If,
Ate May of Jarren?
GG.
Ay, sige po. I'm G naman din. Pero si Jarren parang ayaw.
Or what's up? Hi, Tita. Naka-live po kami. Come here, Tita. Say hi. Guys, here is the mom of Kai. Tita Flora.
Tita Flora.
Tita Flora. Yeah. So we're just sorting things out. What we're gonna do. So
So what's up?
what's up? More questions. Sino bias mo sa Beanie? Ooh, that's so cute!
Oh, I thought it was my natural, very eyes talaga. Oh, my bias beanie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God!
Ay, oh my god.
Oh, that's so cute! Who's your bias wrecker?
Everyone.
Yeah,
Legit, I'm not-
everyone in Beanie could
I'm not
be your
kidding,
bias.
I'm not
Ooh,
kidding.
wow, that's so nice. That's so cute. Anyone
I
in
see.
Beanie can wreck my bias.
Legit, my bias changes every day. Pero,
It depends kasi.
bye.
Women
Beanie is so crazy. They're so hot.
Yeah.
So talented.
What's your eye grade, Rain? If you don't mind.
300 each.
Each? Like, is it the same?
300. And then,
Whoa.
astigmatism pa jud. So,
Astigmatism's the worst.
yeah.
Like, it's crazy.
So right now, I don't see your words, guys.
Yeah, she can't read, so it's just me and
Yeah.
Kai. Oh, yeehaw!
I can see the filters though. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Yeah, wala ako nakaulit dumagat eh, guys. It's been, busy.
I just realized something. Wait, but you're gonna lose your flashlight. Wait, I'm gonna chat with the flashlight.
Okay. Are you guys...
What?
alam na ng dad mo na nakaka-direct.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Kasi nawo-worry yun. Tumawag sa akin.
Yo.
Corgi.
Yo.
What's the... Yes, love.
Are you guys still going to Tagaytay?
No, I don't think so.
No one going to Tagaytay anymore, no?
No, why not? We're just staying here, Tita, and then we're just gonna order food. Gonna order sushi and pizza.
Ayos.
Sorry guys, mga break muna from the questions. But please send in your questions.
How did you butang this?
Like this. Okay. because we're still figuring things out.
Oh my god.
How would you like it?
I have another.
Did you check na the...
Yesterday.
Hindi naman kanina.
And it's more near. Yeah, and madam, I'm moving also here after my contract ends there.
Ang full ako tita.
Everyone halos, yeah.
So cute.
Hello po. Okay, sorry guys. Mga break muna. Okay, ask questions, ask questions. Na 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 na. Where's Kai? Kai is like Kai's talking to someone on the phone.
Ay, trust me tita, no?
Basta you watch each other.
Yo, dami kaya.
At least you are. I like that.
Yeah, gabi daw mo mag-chika ganiya.
Oo, imo pa
Kapakay naman daw.
Imo pa patabihan kayo.
Kaya nagsipon-sipon na daw mo niya. Nag-start siya na. Nag-continue na din. Tabian mo siya.
Murag ka nito ta. Tabian kayo.
Imo mama tabihan sa daw.
Pero shy pa siya.
Sorry guys.
Ako,
Tabian mo katita ko yan.
tabihan pero dili kayo.
Where's Tito, tita? Yo, tito. Ino, tito. Legit po.
Where does did JP and Mark go to JP or
No, they went to Mark's place. I don't know, I think Mark's... No, just there near.
paano ginawa pa ng ako man i-check ang katong
Is it 2-bedroom, tita? Or...
one bedroom lang pero if it
Ay, ano na lang na sila dalawa, tita?
Yung 2-bedroom.
I think it's 30.
Yeah, just gamay lang kayo ang difference, tita. You can, ano na, tita, for both of them.
If you have money already, at least you can go
And it's better pag split silang dalawa. And I think for your all of your sanity and to make certain that they're both safe.
Yeah, I don't feel like it's anything ano. Kasi always together na sa buhay na sila.
Sige po, we're going na. Are you, oh, okay. I'll be your guardian, the two of you, so be good boy and good girl. Thank you po. Sige.
Where are we going?
Let's go see the Moa Glow Cairo.
Oh, okay, let's go.
We will buy. Tapos pupunta si JP Mark.
Oh, okay, let's see. How about JP and Mark?
I only ate
Come back here
breakfast.
after and then
Yeah,
go
we
swimming.
will just stay. Yes, Mark is you.
No, we'll go with you, tita.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go na. Say bye muna, guys, for going because we're going somewhere.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Kapamilya online.
Bye. We love you. Thank you so much for all the gifts, for all the love, and please continue supporting each and every one of us. Kahit nasa outside world na kami.
Spreading hate?
Yeah.
Let's just go happy, Friday.
The last food.
Spread hate.
Don't spread.
Choose love, choose love.
Choose love.
Love me, love us.
Choose love.
Love you.
Love me. Say that you love me.
This is your
Yes, love. Sure.
Bye guys, sarang heyo.
Guys, si Jarren lang yung only person na kahit entire day na siya out. He smells so good.
That's such a
Bola.
But he's
Yeah, but because you owe me food.
no
You owe me food, Jarren. That's why I said that. Anyway, bye. Everyone. Have to go. And 10% na din ako. Bye. Love you. Spread love, not hate. Continue to uplift each other and support us. Yeah.